Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock or how to equip the specialty perk in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. And let's get started. So the first thing you guys are going to do is you're going to head over to multiplayer, then you want to go over to weapons and then loadouts, and then go to the perks. And as you'll see that it says equipping 3 perks of the same combat specialty category, Enforcer, Recon, or Strategist, which basically means that all 3 perks have to be the same thing. So this is Strategist, the green one is Strategist. So if you do all 3 perks of the green one, so this is gonna be Dispatcher, and this is gonna be Flak Jacket, and then this is gonna be Quartermaster or Guardian, and then that's how you can unlock the specialty. Or obviously you can do you can do all blue or you can do all red. It's the easy way to explain it. But yeah, so basically they all have to be the same color, or yeah, and then you can unlock the specialty perk. And that is basically it. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.